Step 1. Get your phone and turn it on. Step 2. Press the play button and watch the 30-second video. Step 3. You can start getting paid right away, as simple as that. You can earn up to $3 when you watch one video. When you watch 20 videos, you make about $60. And when you watch 100 videos a day, you could make up to $300, which is crazy. Don't worry, this is a really easy for new beginner who have never made money before. This is absolutely free. You don't need any investment at all to get started. The good news is that you can get this in every country in the world. And in just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up and which videos will pay you the most money. I'll also give you some special tips that will help you make 3 times as much money. Yes, you heard that right, triple more money compared to other people. So pay close attention and watch this video all the way through until the end. But before you do that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos about making money every day. Let's start watching. Now, I'd like you to watch this video right here. If you just watch this 4-minute video, you can make about $3 by doing nothing else. On this brand new website, you can also watch a lot of other videos on your phone or computer. I want you to pay close attention so you don't miss anything important. So first, I want you to go to this website, gg2u.org, which is completely free and where you can sign up right away. You can start making money right now by taking surveys, playing games, or even just watching videos. And now in this video, we'll talk about how you can just watch videos and get paid, because this is one of the easiest and simplest ways that anyone can do without any experience. The best part about this website is that you can get $1 just for signing up for a free account, and they'll give you $1 right away as a bonus. So all you need to do is put in your first name, your email address, your username, and your password. We will now click on the down arrow. Here you can see that they basically accept people from all over the world. It doesn't matter if you are from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, India, Philippines, Pakistan, or any other country. With this worldwide chance, you can still make money online. Now that you've entered all your information, just click here to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on this orange sign up button. This is where you can get the $1 for free by just signing up for a free account. I also really like this website because there are so many ways to get paid. You can get paid every day through PayPal, Bitcoin, or some other form of cryptocurrency. You can also get free gift cards. Now, if you're from a country where PayPal isn't available, don't worry. You can also get your money through Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer, or any other payment method. In fact, I want you to leave a comment below and tell me what payment method is most popular in your country. And right here on this website, they have a lot of options. You can make money by watching different videos online. As you can see here, they offer a very high rate of 65 to 85%, which is much higher than most other sites, which only offer 40 to 60%. So this is going to be a very, very good chance that I want to tell you about. This is a brand new website that I've never talked about on my channels before. So when you're done signing up on this site, you can see here, welcome to GG2View. We are a very high-paying source for survey routers and also offer WAL, where you can watch videos and get paid up to 65% or even 85% payout rate, and every 100 coins you can get paid $1. And I've been told that you can start cashing out your money once you reach $7, which is 700 coins. You can begin to cash out your money, so you can start making money as soon as you go to the next page. If you scroll down below, you can just click on this Click to Continue button. Click on this orange button right here, and when you do, you'll see this. Here are some easy things you can do to start making money. And again, remember that 100 coins are worth $1. So 550 coins means $5.50 for this particular offer. Now, when you scroll down below, you can see these 200 coins, meaning $2.20, and this one $1. This one is $4.50, and this website has a lot of other offers you can take advantage of. Of course, you can take advantage of all of these offers and build up multiple streams of income. Again, though, we'll be focusing on watching videos. So if you want to make money by just watching videos like this one, keep watching this video and do what I say. So right now, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website. Note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. If you want to make extra money, this is very important. Make sure to go online and finish these offers. You can also get an extra $4.50 for this offer. But if you just want to make money by watching videos, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page and click on I'm done with this page. Just click on it and you'll be taken to your account. Now you can see my dashboard on the GG2U website here. After I sign up for a free account, they just give me $1 for free. Now, as soon as I get another $6, and when I reach $7, I can start spending my money. Remember that you need to make at least $7 before you can cash out your earning. So if you look down below, below, you can see that there are so many other companies and so many other offer can do. For example, Offer Toro, a very famous company, AdGate Media, Peanut Labs, and also Adgem. These are all very well-known companies. They give you some unique offer that you can do and start making money. For example, completing surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, and so on. You can start making money right away by clicking on any of these companies and completing the offers. So quickly, I'll show you another one of these situations. So you just click on this AdSense Media, click on this button right here, and then you're going to come this page. You can go to the official website for AdSense Media, where you can find other ways to make money online. You can make money by taking surveys, doing free trials, or downloading mobile apps. So there are so many chances all in one place on one website. So if you want to start making money by watching videos, you can just go ahead and click on this video button right here. Click on this. So you can see autoplay videos. You'll get a silver token for every 200 video points you earn, which will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. So it is very powerful. Every single video you can earn about $1 up to $3. So if you scroll down below, you can see right now, earn video points by completing any of these videos. You can watch videos about food, viral videos, or chillax videos that help people make money online, and you can watch these different channels. For instance, if you scroll down below, you can see that there are a lot of videos here. You can even click this load more offer, just unlimited videos for you to watch and keep making money again and again. So let me give you a quick example of one of these right now. For instance, if you click on this Hideout TV Chillax, when you click on this orange button right here and come to this page, you can see that this is on Hideout TV. Here is where you can start making money online by watching videos. For example, this video is 4 minutes and 21 seconds long, and by watching it, you can earn about $1 up to $3 per video. So as promised, I'll teach you a couple more extra bonus tips that can help you earn triple money compared to other. So right now, when you click on the gear settings right here, I want you to go ahead and select the lower setting, which is 240p. The reason I want you to select the lower setting is because if you're watching on your phone or computer, the best thing for you to do is maximize your earnings and make the most money. You should go ahead and click on many videos and channels and view them all at the same time in the background, because that could help us to make triple or even 5 times more money. But at the same time, they use up a lot of your data and internet speed. So it is a very good choice for the lower settings right here. So this is the first step and one of the most important pieces of advice I'm going to give you. If you like that, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So let's move on to the next tip. If you look at the right side of the section, you'll see Viral Videos channel up next. So right here, you can choose and watch other videos, and this is where you can earn up to $2 or $3 per video as bonus money. Now make sure you watch all of the videos. Make sure you watch it all the way through from 0 seconds to 4 minutes. Watch the whole thing so that they can actually get the point and convert it into real money. So I'm going to give you one last bonus tip right now. Now, if you click on this arrow button right here, you can see even more videos you can watch. Take this one as an example, the Hat Challenge. Intense. You can watch videos 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right here. When you click the arrow button on any of these videos, you can see 7 more videos that you can watch. You can see numbers 1 through 7 here. You can watch all 7 bonus videos to make more money online. You can watch them on your iPhone or Android phone. Now, I want you to comment below and tell me what kind of mobile device you're using right now to watch this video. Either way, you can still use any devices to earn with this opportunity for absolutely free. Now, when you're done watching these 7 bonus videos, you can just click on this button right here and move on. There were 9 extra videos that you can watch, as you can see. You can make a lot of money online if you watch the same videos over and over again. This is a great way to do it. So when you're done watching one channel, you can move on to the next channel and watch other videos. There are so many videos right here that you can keep watching and making money. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.